Have you ever opened your project in IntelliJ only to find that some folders are mysteriously missing? It's frustrating, right? If you've been dealing with hidden folders due to your gitignore file, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to make those folders visible again. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when you want to see your build or .gradle folders in the project window, but they just won't show up. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this issue when working with .gitignore files. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I show both the Gradle and build folders in my IntelliJ project window while keeping them in my gitignore file? If this sounds familiar, let's dive into the solution together. So why does this happen? IntelliJ respects the rules set in your .gitignore file, which is why those folders are hidden. But there are ways to override this behavior without removing them from your .gitignore. Let's explore how to do that. And stick around. I've got a handy tip at the end that will help you manage your project visibility even better. To show the folders that are currently hidden due to the .gitignore file, the user should first open the project settings in IntelliJ. This can be done by navigating to the File menu and selecting Project Structure. Next, the user should locate the Excluded Folders section. Here they can see which folders are currently excluded from the project view. To include the folders back into the project view, the user needs to remove them from the excluded list. This can be done by selecting the folder and clicking on the Remove button. After adjusting the excluded folders, the user should also check the .gitignore file. They can add comments to the lines for the folders they want to keep visible in IntelliJ while still ignoring them in Git. Finally, the user should refresh the project view in IntelliJ. This can be done by right-clicking on the project and selecting Refresh. This will ensure that the changes take effect. Fun fact, did you know that the first version control systems were so complex that they required a PhD to understand? Thankfully, tools like Git and IntelliJ have made it much easier for us. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using the .ignore plugin. This user suggests installing the Foldable Project View plugin, which offers flexible configuration options for managing visibility in IntelliJ. Here's that handy tip I promised. Regularly review your .gitignore file to ensure it reflects your current project needs. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to see your .gradle and build folders in IntelliJ while keeping them in your .gitignore file. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more great content.